Hi, I'm Toby with NEPA Builders, and we are proud to announce our third annual Raising the Roof program is back. Raising the Roof is a partnership of NEPA Builders, Fox 56, and 84 Lumber to replace a roof for a local family in need. Last year's roof giveaway was a huge success, and we are excited to give back to local families who need a helping hand.
It's just a really heartfelt thing that they're doing for the community. They don't have to do this. They want to do this for the communities, and it's an amazing thing, and I'm really grateful. They're a great group of people. I couldn't have done it on my own, and it's an answer to prayers for sure.
Send in nominations for a local family that you feel could use a helping hand right now. Go to nepabuilders.com to nominate someone today. Join us in building a better Northeast.